Wherever you go, whatever you do, throw a little at it. Omax, Vest and Briefs.
தமிழக பாஜக தேர்தல் பொறுப்பாளரும் மத்திய அமைச்சருமான பியூஷ் கோயல் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அதன் நேரலை காட்சியை தற்போது பார்க்கலாம்.
Was directed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji that they have to bring all these poor fishermen back home. The MEA officials worked day and night to bring them to Armenia, and today they are flying back from Armenia. We are very, very happy to receive them. Very, very happy to welcome them back home. It's a matter of great satisfaction. And that is the BJP, that is the philosophy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sadly, your question was all sorts of fake allegations that Mr. Stalin keeps making. I think he has lost this election. He has already given up this election. And therefore he makes all these false allegations. The people of Tamil Nadu know that nobody is trying to impose any language or impose Hindi on the people of Tamil Nadu. The idea is that more and more of our children should learn Tamil language. We want every child who goes to school to learn Tamil language. And that is our Tamil pride in the local language. We want them to learn Tamil language. The third language is optional, whatever they want to learn. There is no compulsion to learn any particular language. They can even learn Japanese, they can even learn German, they can even learn, somebody comes from Marathi background, they can learn Marathi, they can learn Telugu. The third language is the choice of the parents and the children. So I think he is spreading falsehood and making false narrative. But Tamil Nadu people are very smart. They will not buy the false stories of Mr. Stalin. Therefore, this clearly shows that he is losing the election, and the people of Tamil Nadu have decided to send DMK back home like they have done every time in the past. DMK government has never been repeated because it's a corrupt party, the party run by one family. It's a party that doesn't care for Tamil culture. It's a family that is the highest level of corruption in the country and should be defeated in this election.
தமிழக பாஜக தேர்தல் பொறுப்பாளரும் மத்திய அமைச்சருமான பியூஷ் கோயல் செய்தியாளர்கள் சந்திப்பை பார்த்தோம்.